Well, hello everybody! Welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And sorry for not posting yesterday. I was hunkered down for scattered showers and winds. Today I'm hunkered down for winds. But I wanted to get this information out because we're going on May here, and this information affects May. In May, yes, May. All right. So, WattCycle is going to be upgrading this unit. Okay, now this unit is an 18,000 watt unit. Okay, and that's on the input of PV1 and PV2. That's 9,000 or 9 kilowatts, 9,000 watts per PV connection. So there's two photovoltaic connections. That's your solar connections. PV1, PV2. Each one will handle 9 kilowatts or 9,000 watts. A kilowatt is 1,000 watts. All right. Now, the new system that's coming out, I think it's going to be released on May 20th. So you have between now and then to buy this unit, because the new unit is going to be $300 more after the 20th of May. Okay, so you can save $300 getting this one right now. But you're going to get, with this one, you get the 9 kilowatt. So 9 kilowatts on PV1, 9 kilowatts on PV2, total 18 kilowatts or 18,000 watts. That's this unit. The new one is going to handle 12 kilowatts on PV1 and 12 kilowatts on PV2 for a total of 24 kilowatts or 24,000 watts of solar input. That's a lot of input. So that'll be a more powerful unit. That's why the price is going up $300 after May 20th. So if you place your order on May 1st for the pre-sale, you can save that $300 for the new unit. Okay? So if you want to get the more powerful unit at a $300 savings, you have to order it on May 1st, which is the pre-sale. And that's like coming up the end of this week. So I think it's that's going to be Friday or Saturday of this week. Check your calendar. Mark your calendar. May 1st, pre-sale. Place your order and save $300 on the new 24,000 watt system. Okay, so that's going to be a great deal if you want to get one of these. Now's the time, or pay $300 more later. All right, I want to get this one hooked up and show you all of the features about it. And it is a great unit, but can't do much with the weather the way it's been. Now we're supposed to have a calm week all the way through, and the wind's back on next Sunday. No rain's supposed to be in the forecast, although I would like to have an inch of rain. I have room to store it and capture it and store it, and I'd love to have it because we're getting ready to go into the summer and I'm going to need water. So I hope that we do get some more rain before the summer hits. But April showers bring May flowers. Well, there we go. Now, remember, May 1st is the pre-sale, but that's also May Day. May Day, May Day. And why would they say May Day? Well, that's also a full moon. May 1st is a full moon. Anyway, make sure you get your orders in if you want one. Because this unit right here is not going to be made anymore. They're going up to the next powerful unit. And everything else seems to remain the same on it. It's just that it'll handle more solar input than that one. All right. So I'm at 100% here on my WattCycle batteries, and I've got plenty of power. And I only got to 98% yesterday, and we were overcast most of the day. And well, not most of the day, all of the day. But just with the subdued sunlight, I still got my batteries up almost to 100% before bed. Now, I got a solar job I'll be doing an install. They got 4 of these units coming that will be stacked, and those come with the rack systems that help you stack them together. So I'll be putting 4 of these in for another customer on his old all-in-one, and not one of these new ones. They may upgrade to a new one down the line. I'm going to have to talk to them before May 1st and see if they're interested for the other houses they're going to do. Buy it now, because I think the May 1st, if they got the bigger unit at a $300 savings, that's good for them. And that will handle all of the other units that they have to power up. So they can have a main panel in one and sub panels in the other. And they may have to add more batteries, but these batteries, these rack batteries, you can get up to 20 in parallel. Only 4 in series. But I don't see why you would want to put 204.8 volts, DC volts, into anything. That doesn't make sense to me. But a 48 volt system going into your all-in-one and having up to 20 of these, and remember that's going to 10 of them would be 51,000 watt hours. Okay, so you're going to add a 0 on the end of that, multiply that by 10. Double that to 2, that's going to be 22,000 watt hours. That's a lot of electricity, but some people might need that, and this system will handle it. All right, I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. So anyway, those are some things to keep in mind, and let's get back to normal tomorrow. Maybe I can get some work done here and get some things swapped out. We'll see. This is G Bear, thanking you for joining me and thanking you for supporting WattCycle also. And I'll leave a link in the description along with a discount code. So if you want to get in there and get your savings, that's the time to do it. This is G Bear signing off.